Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a two-part video where in this video I'll be doing my full base and eyebrows, and then you can just do any makeup look from there, but that's like my everyday makeup look. So that's what I'll be doing in this video today, and the next video is going to be doing something crazy with this cute outfit. So to start off, I cleanse my face with this Lancome Tonique Radiance. This is just a toner. I just put this on a little cotton pad and then I just rub it all over my face. And this is really good to get all of like the dirt and leftover makeup left behind, and it really helps cleanse your pores. Alright, so after the toner, I like to use a moisturizer, so I'm going to be using this Milk Makeup. This is the Cooling Water Stick. This stuff is so freaking good. It literally legit feels like water. It feels so good. Ow, that hurt on my nose ring. In case y'all didn't know, I got my nose pierced. Like a long ass time ago though. But it still hurts. I don't know why. So if anybody knows anything about that, let me know, because I would like to change it to a hoop soon. So alright, that's good. My face feels like drenched, and then I like to take my hands and just rub it all in. Careful on my nose though. Make sure you get it like all over. So I want to give my face a little spritz of MAC Prime and Prep Fix Plus. Got a damp beauty blender, and I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in Classic Ivory, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. Whoa. Chomp. Meow. Hi, Chomp. What up, baby? What? Oh my goodness. Hi, Bubba. You're so cute. Alright, you're ruining the outfit, honey. Get out. Get.
Hello?
Oh, she's looking ghostly. Alright, next I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in Fair Beige. I'm just gonna put that literally like all underneath my eyes, and also a little bit on top too, just to like prep for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the beauty blender and go in, like literally
Get in there.
Okay, now I'm going to set all of this in place and then go on to the powder contouring. I'm going to be using this Mud Cosmetics loose powder in 0. I really personally love this powder. I feel like it's great at setting. So I'm going to take a short fluffy brush and dip that into the powder. And then I'm just going to like go all over and set the eyes especially. Alright, now I'm gonna take a really big fluffy brush and literally just like dust that all away. I also wanted to take a little bit on my finger and put that underneath my under eye. Now I'm going to work on contouring and blush and highlight. So for contouring, I always take the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette and I use the shade Safe Word. That's this one right here. And taking this flat edge brush, just gonna go in on that a little bit, tap off the excess, and just go into my cheekbones. I also like to take it onto my chin right here, and then bring it down to my neck a little bit. Alright, so now for blush. I take this MAC blush in Petal Power, and then I'm going to take this angled fluffy brush and go in. I love this one because it adds a shine to it too. and it really blends well with this contour. I always like to put some on my nose too because I just think that's so cute. Like, it just looks so cute. Like, I'm just so cute. Alright, now I'm gonna take this fluffy brush again and go back underneath and get that bake off of me. Now for a highlight, I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be going into what's this one called? I'm gonna be going into Ring Light, which is this one, and taking like a pointed fluffy brush, we're gonna go in and then just highlight. I like to highlight my forehead too, just because I think it's cute. Okay, so that's pretty much the face all complete. I'm gonna zoom in and show you how I do my eyebrows. Alright, so when I fill out my eyebrows, it's literally like the easiest thing ever. I just take in Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is in dark brown. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in and just start brushing all the hairs back, and then go in to the front and just start doing slight strokes. And then I'm gonna do some going up and out, like little hairs. And take the brush in and just kind of like brush it out a little bit. And then I just keep on going in until I like the way that it looks. I'm gonna brush the hairs down, and then we're just gonna create my arch. But just going like up a little bit and then down and creating that arch. And then also just evening it out over here. Alright, so that's pretty much it for my base and my eyebrows. You can throw on some lashes or any other makeup look and then you're good to go, but this is it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let me know what other videos you want me to do. Also check out all of my social media down below in the description. I link everything down there. Follow me on Snapchat to the Elizabeth with 2 Z's. And that's where I post literally like everything all the time. So if you want to see anything first, that's where you want to look. So add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.